Hello and welcome to everybody. In today's episode we are going to see what is the best skill of a photographer. A lot of you will think that is the camera, the equipment, the post-processing, blah blah blah. The most important skill for a photographer is only at the first place undefeated world champion of the world is on taste. The taste and the vision that they see, the creativity and the vision that how he can see the photo. Today I'm showing to right now some example of better understanding of the subject, and of course in the worst cases is like when they don't understand even how to pose the models. That whatever you do, even if you do everything perfectly, the result will be absolutely horrible. Okay, I'm watching the first photo. The model is not bad, the location so and so, but look at the pose, how it ruined everything in this photograph. I think this pose is really unnatural and almost ridiculous. She's alone there. What is doing like that? I don't understand. Let's go to photo number 2. Same thing. Pose ruin the photo. There is no other thing. Also, when I speak about taste and I speak about to the photographer that must have the eye, look at where he placed the model. Look, the background is not really nice. Apart the pose that, my God, is I cannot define. Who's going to be like that? It's people that didn't absorb the fashion. They see too many covers. They didn't see too many covers, how they are done, and this is the result. Photo number 3. Okay, this is really really the worst. For example, it's not straight. Okay, it's obviously not straight. It has many defects, this photo. It's not straight. Look at expression. He seems lost. The lighting is poor. The outfit of the model is out of the context, because even that shoes like this, and he's fighting somebody that is not there. I mean, here everything is wrong. I'm sure, imagine this photo, lit and perfectly, the model dressed up perfectly, even beautiful, etc, etc. But if that is the expression, that is the context, it's just not working. It's just not working. Fourth photo. Here we go. Okay, this is very funny. She seems she's strangling herself with this pose. What is doing? Again, what she is doing here like this? She's just looking, you want to appear something, but it's out of context. Not only sometimes the models can be not right as look, but if you pose it badly, it's out of context, doesn't mean anything like this. Okay, photo number 5. This photo is not really bad. I'm telling you, this photo is not really bad. The light is okay. It's not a master, but the lighting is okay. What I can see is the pose, even here, ruin everything. Because if the model is not a top model, but it's okay. The dressing is so and so. What really doesn't look nice is this pose. From a good photographer, this was going right to the trash can. Imagine these photos shot perfectly, okay, with nice models, beautiful models. But if you pose and you place them in this way, I assure you, there is no way the photos are going to look good. If you appreciate what I'm doing, please subscribe and put like. It's very important for me. And I thank you in advance and see you soon. Thank you.